How do different liquids affect our teeth?
These are the things that you will need.
Safety tips before we begin.
Place an egg in each jar.
To the bottom.
Now we're going to pour each liquid into the jar.
Now pour the next bottle into the next jar.
Now pour vinegar. Now pour water into the next jar. Next, we're going to pour the milk gently into the jar.
First we have orange juice, then Coca-Cola, then vinegar, then water, then milk.
Now that we're finished, we have to put the lid on tightly.
Now we have to wait for 2 whole days
to see the results. Two days later, the eggs are ready.
Ask an adult to open the jar, or maybe it might hurt your hands while you open it.
No ewing. Ooh, look at that.
That looks really good.
It does. It doesn't look too bad. So what does that show you?
Let me see.
What does it show you? That orange juice might not be so bad for your teeth. Although, look, it's taking all the colour off. Put it like that maybe.
Next one.
Good. Ew.
Don't press it too hard.
That was good. You can see that water and milk are good for your teeth.